What is going on, everybody? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, we're going to use OpenAI to run some really funny prompts. Well, a prompt is like a search query, and we're going to run it into OpenAI and get some AI-generated images back. I've done this a couple of times before, and if you use some funny prompts, you get some very funny results. So I'm going to show you how to do all of it, how to set it up in Python, and I'm going to check this video periodically and come back to the comments section. And if you comment some funny prompts, some funny queries, I'll go back through and run those in a future video. So please, I implore you, leave some funny comments below, because this is absolutely hilarious. I wasn't expecting the level of hilarity. So I'm using PyCharm here, and PyCharm is an IDE for Python, and we're using the OpenAI library. So this OpenAI library is all you need. I'm importing another library called key, which is just this file, and it has my API key in there, so I just kept that hidden. And the normal paradigm has you setting an environmental variable, but I'm lazy, so I just put it in another file. And then what you do is you send a response to the API. You do response equals OpenAPI or OpenAI.image.create, and you send in these three variables. First is the prompt, then is the n is the number of responses you want back, and size is the dimensions. You can't just go willy-nilly with the dimensions. There's only three, like 512 and 1024, and there's one other one. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us a response that we're going to print out, and it's going to be a list of links. So let's run the first one, and it's going to be Chuck Norris cooking Thanksgiving dinner. All right, we'll see what this gives us. It takes a quick second to run it and get the response, but just waiting 1 more second, 2 more seconds. All right, there you go. Here are our links. What? It's just absurd. Hair Nook. And what is he? He's got the knives, and he's making something, man. Oh, it's so funny. All right, what is this one? He's got pumpkins. He's got knives. He's got some sort of a leather BDSM apron. All right, so he's in a nice old school wooden kitchen. That's cool. Let's load the other one while that goes. And then we'll go back. All right, he's got his little ghee. That's called a ghee, just so you know. He's got a knife. And this says something. And there's a little squash and some eggplant, and wow, how creative. Happy something. Everything's has a knife. There's always a knife. And these, like, what is it about Thanksgiving that has these types of unfinished, unpainted cabinets? I don't know what it is, but it does remind me a bit of Thanksgiving. Okay, Chuck Norris cooking stir fry. Let's see what it gives us. Norris arguing over a speeding ticket. That one's gonna be funny. I don't know what it is about Chuck Norris. He's got like some funny interpretations, you know? There's a lot of Chuck Norris content on the internet. So these are all loading. I just clicked all of them to make it easier. So look at the shirt. The shirt is all generated too. That's not like, this is all made up, man. And it has Chuck Norris. So it's a bearded man with a knife and a wok. And stir fry, yeah, that's exactly what I thought it would be like. Okay, yeah, they really go hard on the knife. Like, what about spatulas and other things? You know, it's only knives and chicken and mussels. And this face. Oh God, it doesn't even look like Chuck Norris. This one has a lot of peppers and potatoes, it looks like. That's just stir fry. There's no Chuck Norris in that one. But at least they have, look, they're using different, just the ghee. It's like the ghee is just associated with them. What is this in the background? You know, I'm wondering if it's gonna let me do this. Having trouble using the toilet. I wonder what that looks like. What does it look like when Chuck Norris is having trouble using the toilet? Is it gonna allow me? Because there are some filters on this. In this application. Okay, let's open these backwards up. Great. Okay, and we've found the thumbnail. Can we do? Look at the eyes. Man, he's really stumped. Oh no! This one's a drawing. He's just really having trouble. Yeah, look at how the reservoir is all out of whack, man. That's so crazy. You could make a book about these OpenAI things. This is so funny. Unbelievable. All right, let's see Chuck Norris arguing over a speeding ticket. The eyes are creepy, man. The skin tone is really accurate. So what is he? He's in a He's arguing with himself, and he's in a convertible, and he is wearing some sort of a gi. Okay, so these two are arguing. Has this side face look, and an open mouth. Ah! Oh no, look at the muscles. This is definitely a police officer. Man, look at the hair. That's crazy. Alright, so Andrew Tate. I don't know if they're gonna, I mean, I'm trying to see where the limits are. Andrew Tate learning in school. What does that do? I mean, is it going to pick him up? He's like, Chuck Norris is an old celebrity. I don't know about Andrew Tate. Are they going to know? Does it know? How up to date is the learning? Oh no, that's not. See, that's why you use Chuck Norris, is because it's more, that's just a little kid. I guess maybe the school, nope, that's not Andrew Tate. Oh, none of these. No. Yeah, well, that's it. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button before you leave. Hit the subscribe button right now, because I'm going to come back to this video in every month, and I'm going to remake this video with the with your guys' comments as suggestions. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it as funny as I did. Leave me a comment. I want some good ideas. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.